welcome back to my channel.
First, I want to do that.
Okay, just one. Today we went to, where'd we go?
The J.C. Penney's and some Dollar Tree.
And we went to the Dollar
and
Tree.
we got these.
Okay, honey. We went to the Dollar Tree and we did a haul. And we went to the Dollar Tree that I love going to because they just opened a snack zone.
And I gotta show you one
Okay,
thing.
just hold on, you guys. We went to the place where they have a snack zone. Now, usually what a snack zone is they have a whole like aisle of snacks. I've been to a really big snack zone area, and this store was just like
trying to open it.
I am, honey. But this store wasn't as big, but it got exactly. They had exactly what I wanted. So one thing that we saw over by the Halloween candy
is Eminem pumpkin patch.
We found Eminem's white pumpkin pie. I have never had these.
I want to try
So we're gonna try them right now because I really want to know what these taste like.
I want to taste one.
So
they're like pumpkin pack.
So they're like a peach color. There's like a peach color, orange and brown, but they're a white chocolate.
I'm trying to crunch. Look, this is the one inside.
This is what they look like. That pumpkin pie really pops. Wow.
Tastes like mint.
It kind of gives you that mint taste, but these are really good. So, pumpkin pie is what we got, and it's a white chocolate, and that pumpkin taste really pops.
I didn't pop in my mouth.
It didn't pop in your mouth? Okay, the next thing I got was just I just got a Thanksgiving sign. I thought this is kind of cute.
For Halloween?
For Thanksgiving. I mean, I do have Halloween stuff. I do have fall stuff, but I thought this is kind of cute.
No, this is for Halloween, not Superman.
Okay. So I got that because I wanted to just put some wall decorations up.
And the next is the leaf pumpkin patch.
So I ended up getting this wreath form of a pumpkin. It is kind of thick. I ended up getting two of them because I want to start getting back to making my wreaths again, just so I can start selling some more wreaths. So I thought these are kind of cute. So I don't know.
Pringles, my favorite.
I don't know how fast I will get into making my wreaths, but I got these just in case because I'm gonna definitely make one for myself. Another thing, as I was walking to the parking lot, I thought it'd be kind of cool if you guys want to make like a 3D like pumpkin thing. I thought that'd be kind of cool to make. So I don't know. I just got two of them for now. I'll see how I can do this. I might have to add some wire to it, but I thought that'd be great for a little wreath that I do. And then Benjamin picked out the Lay's chips. He likes the Lay's. He loves sour cream, so I'm like, why not? Whatever. Then you guys, I was so excited for the Way Better chips. Now I have been on a hunt to find these. Now I can't get the bigger bags cheaper, but I kind of like this because then I'm not like binge eating everything. Now these are $1 and we had like a ton of chips in the cart, and the husband's like, you guys have a little too much snacks, so he made me put some stuff away. But guess what? I'll go back again. So these are the Way Better Avocado Ranch Whole Wheat Corn Tortilla Chips with sprouted flax, quinoa seeds, and chia. I really like these. I don't know if it's something in these, but you know, I know some of the flax is something that's really good on eating things with. I'm like mostly pumping, but I breastfeed my daughter, and I want to increase my supply. And I heard flax is really good. I don't know if eating these chips are really good, you know, for your milk supply, but I'm like, you know what? I'll try it. So I love these, and these taste exactly like Doritos. It tastes exactly like Doritos, and so I have to go on the other side of town just to get these chips, but I'm like, we were over there anyways.
Ben's back.
Okay, Ben's back.
I just got water.
He just got water for this PBS Kids cup.
For PBS Kids.
PBS Kids. Well, then we found these ones. Now they had the sweet chili or something like that. I wasn't a big fan of it, but these are nacho cheese, whole grain tortilla chips with sprouted flax, quinoa, and chia. So we're gonna open these and see if these taste like Doritos.
I remember I tried. There's another pack.
Yeah, those taste like Cool Ranch. They smell like nacho cheese Doritos. Okay, they look like just like the regular cheese or chips.
I don't know. They taste like spicy.
They're not spicy. They're really good.
I don't want to try.
They taste like Doritos.
Guys, you want to try this one instead? These, Mom.
Try this one too. This one tastes like Doritos too.
No. I'll try that one.
Okay, I'll open that one in just a second. Yeah, tastes exactly like Doritos. So if you guys love Doritos and you want to eat a little bit healthier, definitely do this one. It does have like a little kick of an aftertaste. It does have like a little spice kick to it, but
And we got
other than that,
and we got the next one.
those are great. The next thing we got is the Snyder's 6-pack.
Can I
pretzels.
try one?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Well, you just opened that bag and you're not eating it. We just got these for him.
Not
Hold on, honey. The last bag I got, I didn't realize they were 6 months expired.
Okay.
6 months. This one store that I shop to that's near me, they just don't care. They don't care. That
Can
place.
I open this?
That place is such a dump, and I like this one other store because it's so good. So, with the way better chips, I think we got 3 of each. So I got 3 of the nacho ones. Yeah, I don't know where the rest of them are. Don't know, but here's another nacho one. And then, okay.
The next one will be.
So the next one we ate while we were in the car is this
No,
is
this is for after it's empty.
well, I wanted to show them what it looked like. Good thing we have another one. So what we ended up getting was these Good Nature vegetable.
Guys, can you? We'll try them.
Okay, hold on, honey. We already opened a bag. So then these were. Sorry, my kid just wants to try everything because he thinks it's a taste test video and not a Dollar Tree haul. But these are like veggie straws or veggie chips, whatever. But
I'm try
you just ate a whole bag while we were shopping. No, we're not opening it. Benjamin doesn't understand. He thinks we need to open every single bag of chips. He's already got 4 bags of chips already open. But like what I was saying is these are like veggie straws. They're super good. They're like 3-dimensional. So these are super good. I really recommend them. But they are spinach, carrots, and tomatoes. He loves these, and I'm like, you can have them. So
I want to put them back.
yeah, so we ate 1 bag while we were shopping today, and I got another bag, and I think I got 3 of them also. So here is another one.
No, I got even more.
Actually, I bought 4 of them, but I love them, you know. So those would be little snacks that we can have while we're in the car ride. And then I wanted to get some Skinny Pop, but I actually wanted to try the white cheddar. I love these Smart Food white cheddar chips or popcorn. So I thought, why not try these ones? So these are just white cheddar, so I'm going to try those. I'm pretty excited about. And then I swear we got another Way Better Ranch, but I guess we only got the 2. Are we missing another bag? No. I got like a plastic bag of hand. The next thing we got is potato sticks. Now, I love potato sticks.
We have another bag over there.
And I ended up getting the sour cream and onion. My husband's like, these are good to try, so he wanted to try these. So I'm like, why not? Let's try those. And then he ended up getting these ones. These were sweet barbecue. So we got a lot of chips today, you guys. Like, we went crazy over the chips, but that's okay. I mean, this is stuff for us to have on little trips here and there while we're on like road trips or stuff. And then he ended up grabbing some more things. He ended up grabbing this Kosher Salt. We have one already that we use like crazy, but I mean for $1. And this goes a long ways, but he wanted some Kosher Salt. I'm like, you know what? Why not pay $1 for it? So, I mean, you get a lot. So he got that. And then he also got this Himalayan pink salt, fine grain. This is 1 pound. 1 pound of Himalayan pink salt, and he ended up getting 3 of them. He's like, this is a good price. And I'm like, yeah, I told you this a long time ago when I saw him at the Dollar Tree, and he said he didn't want any. So he's kept 2 for himself, and he got 1 for his mother. And I'm like, that's fine if you want to get 1 for your mother. And they don't expire till, or best used by May 2024. So we got like 5 years.
Why did I salt
5 years to use this salt. So I think that was
You got it, bro, mommy.
I got it, bro, mommy. Okay, well that was everything we got. I was pretty excited to get the snacks that we did, you guys. I'm so excited.
Mom, look how many batteries you have left after die.
That's not the batteries, honey. That's how long we've been recording for. So we've been recording for that long. But I'm super excited to find some other chips than the avocado, but I just want to start eating a little bit healthier on snacks, especially for him. I mean, yeah, chips are not the greatest, but if he can get some of that nutrition in here, I'm going to definitely go for it. But these taste exactly like nacho cheese Doritos, and these taste exactly like Cool Ranch Doritos. So if you guys want, you know, Doritos, but eating a little bit better, definitely go for it. I mean,
chunky.
you don't get a lot in that bag, but you know what? For $1, I'm not complaining because these are good. I can probably get like 2 snacks out of each bag like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed my sweet Dollar Tree haul. Give this video a
Dollar Tree thumbs up.
Give this video a Dollar Tree thumbs up, and we will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching, and
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.